boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's best-selling researcher Mickey D. I host The Scoop, a.k.a. the Baby Knockout GOAT. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm the founder, creator, publisher of the Baby Knockout newsletter. We've been doing this since the dot-coms. We've been picking great stocks, doing great research over the years, and we've made people a lot of dinero, made multi-millionaires of a lot of people out there, ladies and gentlemen. And we want to do that with you, possibly. Hey, it's on you. We get you the leads, and you manage the stock, and you make as much money as you can. But today we're going to talk about a trade we did a few years ago, the lithium trade, which is going to come back, of course. Some of these stocks we were in very, very low. You guys remember Patriot Battery Metals. That was probably one of the biggest hits there. We had another hit that paid us dividends. We'll look at them here in a second. You guys know the scoop is for your education, your entertainment, your information only. I'm not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor. I'm an author. I'm a researcher. I put it in black and white so you have it for days, weeks, months, and years to come. You can go to Amazon.com. You can get the audiobook, paperback book, or the ebook. I hope you guys are having a wonderful, wonderful day. If you don't have any baby knockouts, ladies and gentlemen, I'll show you how you can get some baby knockouts, and I'll show you how you can keep current on our baby knockouts as we have trades going on right now. The trades that are they're coming together. The cannabis trade at the end of the year we've been talking about all year, it's coming together. The uranium trade that we've been in for a long time right now, the uranium trade is there. When you look at things like the different areas, the gold and silver that we've been trading, it's coming to pass right now. Just be patient, and these trades are right on your doorstep, ladies and gentlemen. But let's take a look at some charts. Let's take a look at lithium and what's going on with lithium, because everybody's asking me about it. Ladies and gentlemen, make sure you hit that like. Make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe button. We would appreciate it. I've been asked, and this is owner 3052. Can you see this? Mickey, could you do an update video for Nevada Lithium Resources and lithium stocks in general? Because it's been a while. Thanks. Yeah, it's been a little while since I've done something with lithium here. Let's take a look and see this particular stock that he's talking about, Nevada Lithium Resources. Nevada Lithium Resources is a baby knockout. It's in a couple, I guess, of one of the books at least. I'll show you here in a second. Nevada Lithium is in invest in lithium baby knockouts now. Invest in lithium baby knockouts now. This is on Amazon.com. This particular stock is in this book, which is on Amazon.com. You can get all the audiobook, paperback book, or the ebook, ladies and gentlemen. But this particular stock has a big resource, has a major resource, ladies and gentlemen. When you look at these stocks, all of them are trading below their key averages, below their 200-day, below their 50-day averages. They've been hit. They've been bombed, ladies and gentlemen. No one look at 13 cents. This stock has Canadian in NVLH.CN. It's even less in US dollars. But what management had to do is they had to fight and get 100% of Bonnie Claire, which has high grade boron, which is no joke. It's used in the computer screens and the powerful magnets for wind turbines, insulation, just a few of the uses for boron. But it's got high grade lithium also. And this is the stock that this gentleman's talking about here. At this stage, what do you want to do? Dollar cost average in. It looks like it's a bottoming or forming a bottoming pattern like some of these lithium stocks. Do whatever you want to do with that baby. It's there. It's looking like it wants to bottom, what have you. This is Nevada Lithium Resources. We'll see, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go on to one of the other stocks. Also, we have Lithium penny stocks is out, right? Amazon.com. These books are on Amazon.com. Lithium penny stocks, low risk, high reward investing. You can go get any of these books on Amazon.com. Let's take a look at some of the stocks. But before we do, let's take a look here at bombed out. Let's do a 5 year chart of the lithium carbonate, uh, the China uh, price here. It's the Chinese yuan price. Look at this. We went up in 2022. We peaked out and we've been crashing ever since. Can we go lower? Yes, we can. We're currently 85,000 per ton in July. That was the lowest in over 3 years. So we're at a 3 year low. Can we go higher? Well, if you look at this chart, ladies and gentlemen, we can go lower another 50% from here. So it's not all peaches and cream when it comes to this trade here with lithium, because we can go down even further than we are right now, ladies and gentlemen. We don't want to, but we can. Let's take a look at some of these stocks here that were winners for us back in the day that we think have that mojo and may be able to be winners this cycle also. It'll take them a little bit, but they may be winners this cycle also. Let's take a look here at Surge battery metal. Surge is, you see, Surge was doing its thing here. It's in Canadian. It's 34 cents right now. It's below its 200-day moving average, and it's doing okay. It's doing what Surge does, which is right now, just it's in on a long term chart. It looks like it's holding its own and going sideways as it's just above the 200-day moving average. That's Surge battery metals. Let's take a look at another one that we think Surge will be a winner also, ladies and gentlemen. This cycle, we think Surge will do fairly well as we look a little longer term on some of these charts and look at where we think they may be here at this particular time. If they would come up, that one doesn't want to come up for me. Let's take a look and see if this one wants to come up for me. Let's get a look here. Let's get a look here. Who could forget Patriot Battery Metals, ladies and gentlemen? You guys remember good old Patriot? Patriot topped out here. Canadian, it was roughly, it was over 1750 or so, 1754 or so intraday, 1763 intraday there. It was up there and it's gone down. It's straddling its 200-day moving at long term 200-day moving average right now. It's been on a sale, a little nice little sale down for a little while, and like I said, the lithium price can go down another 50% from where it is right now. So there's no need to jump into any of these stocks. But I know people want to be super early. You want a dollar cost average. Patriot Battery Metals. Remember, I said, well, you can get at a quarter. Remember the video? You can get at 50 cents. You can get at 75 cents. Some of you got it at 10 cents and still made money because it went up to $17. So get in where you fit in, ladies and gentlemen, with a lot of these stocks. Another one of our favorite baby knockouts that did really, really well, that ended up paying us some dividends there, and it was on the right track. Who am I talking about? I'm talking about Pilbara, well, Pilbara in America, but Australian company at 13 cents. When we spoke with management, they told us that they were going to be drilling for lithium. They were going to merge with another, they were going to buy a company, the merger, acquisition route, and they were going to be big and they were going to sell all their product to China. So we bought it hook, line, and sinker early on. We said, cool. A few years later, we were seeing these big dividends, 10 cents there, three 223, and we thought we had something going here, quarterly a month, but then the market went down, so we kind of crapped out. But Pilbara, we believe they will be another one of these companies that's going to do very, very well this cycle coming up here. So keep them on your watch list also. Let me give you one more because most of these will be in the Baby Knockout newsletter. So Pilbara is in the book, in one of the books. So, but this is going to be in the Baby Knockout. This is going to be a winner this cycle, ladies and gentlemen. It's going to be a winner this cycle. Let me give you one more. One more Baby Knockout that we think is a developer right now, but they've got aspirations to be a producer one day. Who am I talking about? I'm talking about E3 Lithium Limited, EEMMF, up in Canada. Right now, they're trading below their key moving averages, and they're, like I said, lithium can go down another 50% from here. There's no need to jump into these stocks because these stocks are going lower. You just want them on your watch list, and you really want to be able to tap into these stocks when that time comes. So that's where we're looking right now with this lithium trade. We have the stocks. They're going to be in the Baby Knockout newsletter. This is just a sampling of what we have. We're going to have more stocks, ladies and gentlemen. We have more. We've done extensive research in this area. Like I said, we've written books in this area. You can go to Amazon.com. You can get lithium penny stocks, low risk, high reward investing. You can also get invest in Baby Knockouts, lithium Baby Knockouts now. You can get that one. You Stocks, we believe, like Surge. We believe Surge is going to do well. We believe Lithium Americas, which didn't come up for me, but we believe their Thacker project there in Nevada, $2.80. Oh my goodness, what a price for that! We believe Patriot Battery Metals is going to be great. Also, it's going to turn around when the prices turn around. That one, we believe, Pilbara. I'm all over the map here, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, with these different stocks here. But you get the idea. You get the picture. They're out there, and we believe that we're going to do well as one. You wanted it. Here it is. Nevada Lithium Resources and other lithium stocks here. Owner 3052 and Greg and so many other private students that wanted this information. We got it for you guys. You guys take care. Once again, thank you for your support. Love you all, and take care of you and your family, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week. God bless you and your family. Take care. If you want to get the Baby Knockouts early again, once again, the Baby Knockout newsletter, that's MICFRA_loans at yahoo.com. And we will definitely get that information to you so you can be on the list and you can get these stocks months and months in advance. How would you like to have gotten Pilbara at 13 cents like many of my private students did? Or get Patriot Battery Metals at 13 cents and it goes up, or the cannabis stocks right now that are inexpensive, but as soon as they get some legislation, they're going to do well. I don't need to even say anything about Bitcoin right now because a lot of you are up hundreds and hundreds of percent already on a Bitcoin trade that started at the beginning of the year, which started 9 months up to that 6 months before the halving. Say no more. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the